Do you want me to leave?
No. Hi guys, we had a new addition to the RC family today. Over the past few weeks, Brad, who's now 16, he's 16 today, has expressed an interest in the RC cars. After he was last out with us, I reckon, to be honest, he's been watching too much Kevin Talbot, you know, jumping his cars around his skate parks and things like that, and he's decided that he wanted his own car. So what could I do but treat him? So shall we have a look what we've got, Brad? There we go. Now as we walked into, where did we go? Went to Model Sport, didn't we, up in Otley? Fantastic shop. And we'd gone, so we were looking at a Rustler. Yeah. Traxxas Rustler or a Traxxas Slash. What else were there? An E-Revo maybe? I don't know. Anyway, they got them all lined up and he plonked this one on the counter. Now this is the Arrma Kraton 4S. Decided to go to the 4S because it's Brad's first car. I think if he'd got the 6S, not only would I have been jealous, but I think he'd have gone through more body shells than me. So, I mean, we just like the chunkiness of it. It just looked fantastic. What else we got in there, dude?
Got the controller.
Got the remote for it, which I have to say looks fairly cheap, to be honest. I mean, that feels alright, but there's no real quality about it. But I mean, as long as it works, you know what I mean, we can always change that out later, can't we? It's not the end of the world, that, pal. There we go.
Well, that's the show.
What we did like as well were the little body clips. I mean, I don't know how long these are going to stay on there, but I do like the idea of them. Also, these shock tower protectors. So obviously if you go upside down, obviously these are going to protect the shock towers, and it's all going to wear away and then wear through and your shocks are going to pop off. I do like that. I'm not, I don't know if you could add them onto some of the other RCs, to be honest. The body itself feels really tough, to be honest, as well. I really like the quality and feel of the body, and I like the paint job as well. I mean, it's fantastic. I think most of that's probably stickers, to be honest, but all the stickers are already on it. I mean, it comes with a sticker set, which is somewhere in the box. Yeah, I just like the chunkiness of it. I mean, I think the drive shafts, from what they were saying, have been upgraded from the version 3. 16mm shocks all round. I mean, these things are massive. There's even some alloy bits in there as well. Adjustable tie bars. We've got a 2400 kV motor, fully waterproof ESC. I think the motor and the ESC, so it's all waterproof. Little fan there on the motor. I mean, I think it's a fantastic setup, to be honest. They've supplied this, by the look of it, to run two 2S batteries. So I've not really got the option from the factory of just running a single 4S battery. These are the EC5 connectors. So what I decided to do was get a couple of separate batteries for Brad. So he's got two, what are these, 35C, 5000 milliamp. So I've got two of those just to run with Brad's car. There we go, there's two of them. So I don't want any warranty issues or anything, because it's his first one. I think he's going to go straight out and hit a wall. So we'll see how we go with that. I love the wing. The wing looks absolutely fantastic, to be honest. The whole car looks great. I mean, wheelie bar fitted as standard. I love it. So Brad has gone out and just outdone me on his RC. His first RC. Got a better one than all mine. Nice one. Cheers, Brad. Gives me an excuse to get the something else though. I like the chassis brace as well. Got a chassis brace there in between the shock towers to stop the flex in the body when it's jumping, etc. You've got foam down here in the bottom of the battery tray. And I think these blocks here as well in the tray are so you can run different sort of size batteries. I think underneath those blocks can be removed, so you can run different batteries, etc. I mean, you might be able to upgrade this to a 6S, but I don't think you'd need to be fair. You'll be able to see, won't you, mate, when I get one. But you've got 17mm hexes on there by the look of it. I don't know why I've chosen that sort of nut configuration, but we'll see how we get on with it. But no, really impressed with it. Really impressed with it. What else did we get, Brad?
Got some obviously batteries for the.
I got some batteries for the remote. Got plenty of them because I'm running out. I'm getting more and more remotes as days go by, to be honest. Got some connectors for my charger, which I did a unboxing on one of my other videos. There, the stickers there for the Arrma, and a little toolkit and shock spacers. Instructions, you might need to read them, pal. Got a little hump pack as well for the S50 sledgehammer. So it does away with these out of the old box there. Slide. Waterproof.
Oh my.
That's gonna go, mate. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video where we get these. Where we get the Kraton out. Let's see if it comes back looking like this. Hey, Brad.
Yeah.
See you later, guys.